Hi friends, today we are going to solve top view from the tree section of the data structure in HackerRank. So basically top view of a binary tree is basically any nodes that are able to see from the top side of the tree. So in order to solve that problem, you would require a few things. So first of those is a dictionary. So we will first create a dictionary which would be holding our values along with our keys and a function to do the traversing. So in that function, we will take few parameters. So the first of them would be root. The second would be key, and the third one would be the level in which we are traversing, the level of the tree. So as we check in all our previous problems, first we will check if the root is null or not. So if root is not null, so there would be two conditions to check. So first is that if the key that we send is not in our dictionary, then we would be basically adding that value to our dictionary. Elif if then the second condition what we are doing is that if the key is present in dictionary, then we are checking whether that the value of that key is greater than the level that is currently present or that is currently been traversed. So if it's true, then you would be basically again appending the value. Basically, you would be appending the dictionary with the current value. It would be becoming I would be calling our function. So here there is something to be noted is that when you are traversing the left node of the tree, the key value is always going to be key minus 1. But when you are traversing to the right node, then the key value would be key plus 1 and all the parameters will remain the same. Now let's initialize our function traverse root 0, 0 And at last we'll be printing our values in the dictionary. So for key, so there are few things to be noted in this problem. This problem is easier, but you have to understand the algorithms in order to solve this question. So for me, I try to solve it in few ways, although its complexity was getting higher. Then I come across a YouTube video from Hackers Realm. So there I found a beautiful solution was made by the presenter, and I honestly kind of mimicked that, or honestly entirely copied that code. But the point here is not to about copying the code; it's about finding the best solution. So let's try to run this code. So in this, if I have to break it down, so there are three parts of it. Okay, I made some mistake. Let's check. Runtime error. Okay. Yes. So if I had to break this down, so the first part would be to create a dictionary where we'd be saving the values of the current level and the node. And the second part would be basically a traversing function. So it would basically traverse our node and save those level and root in the dictionary based on the two parameters, whether first the key is present there or not, and the second, if the key is present there, whether that value of that key is greater than the current level that you are traversing. And at the third point is basically trying to look through the entire dictionary and sorting it, and then you are going to print it. Let's try by without sorting it. Let's see if it's going to give us a correct result or not. I hope it does. Let's check. Yeah, I don't know how could dictionary be sorted. Okay, sorting it indeed would be required. Let's submit the code. As you can see, it passed all the test cases successfully. And as always, I keep on reminding you, I try to find the best solutions from the internet. So many of the code I do probably would not be mine. It's about finding the best solution. So I keep on researching in order to find that. And secondly, if you guys have any better solution of solving any problems, uh, put it in the comments below so that anybody in this group could understand or could find even a better solution than this one or any of the problems that I solved earlier. And thanks for watching and stay tuned.